Junior High School completer with highest honors.
I remember the first time I set foot here in Vincent's Pilot High School. It was 6 years ago for a division competition. I was intimidated by the size of the school. Too big, too wide, and too much for a little girl. Yet, the 11-year-old Shiley was determined to study here because at that time, she could see a bright future ahead of her. But the question is, was it worth it? To our principal, Ma'am Teresita A. Renay, our assistant principal, Ma'am Elizabeth N. Macaleb, our guest speaker, Attorney Eliza Rhea J. Villaluz Pangoso, faculty and the administrative staff, parents, my fellow completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. As I close this program with gratitude and love, let me first share 4 important lessons I learned here. We, the batch 2024, is the first batch to welcome high school in a pandemic. It was hard, right? It was hard transitioning to the new normal. Imbes na nasa classroom tayo, nasa sariling mga kwarto tayo, katapat ang laptop o di kaya yung papel at ballpen upang mag-aral. Nauso ang Google Forms, G-Class, Organic Chemistry, ChatGPT, Photomat, at marami pang iba. But what did the pandemic teach me? It taught me how to strengthen my faith in Him, to always believe in His plans, and to never question it. It may sound cliche, but the pandemic happened for a reason, and it was to reopen our hearts to Him, to rediscover our faith and love we have for Him, because all glory belongs to Him. Students, may isa akong request sa inyo. Pwede ba? Lumingon kayo sa inyong mga likuran. Sino ang nakita ninyo? Ang magulang ninyo, hindi ba? The second lesson is to always remember to look back at who and where we came from. To always be reminded by our parents' sacrifices and selflessness, and how deep a parent can love their child. They are our strongest foundation and support system. Sila ang naging unang guru natin, unang nagmahal sa atin, at unang humubog sa atin. Kung wala sila, nasan kaya tayo ngayon? Kung wala sila, sino tayo ngayon? To all of the parents here today, I want to express my deepest gratitude to all of you. Thank you po for believing in your child's capability to thrive at sa walang sawang pagsuporta ninyo para sa inyong mga anak. To my mommy and daddy, thank you po for being my #1 supporters in everything that I do. Without the two of you, I will not be here today and be able to deliver my speech. I love you, mommy and daddy. As life continues, so do its people. The third lesson is that people will come and go. Some will stay, some will not. We may lose some of our friends, acquaintances, partners, and even those closest relationships we have due to circumstances. But that is completely normal. It's okay to feel the pain, to cry, to emote, but it's never okay to not move forward. Completers, I know it's been a tough school year. Many changes of progress, but I want all of you to thank your loved ones, friends, classmates, group mates, and acquaintances, for they have stayed with you during your lowest and highest moments in your life. To my friends, Meg, Kath, Kate, Jamie, Che, Ren, for making my junior high journey remarkable and for staying with me amidst everything. To Grade 10 STE David, salamat sa nabuo nating samahan at friendship. To my SSLG family, thank you for joining me in making our school year memorable. To Ma'am Tess and the rest of the faculty and staff, salamat po sa equal support ninyo para sa bawat isa sa amin. To Ma'am Kadis and the rest of the Grade 10 advisors, thank you po for not tolerating our shortcomings as a student. It made us more eager to learn, cope, and aim this higher. The last, but the most important lesson I want to share to all of you is, it is never wrong to put yourself first. Your emotional and mental security should be at the top of your priorities. Hindi mali na piliin mo muna ang sarili mo bago ang ibang tao, bago ang ibang mga bagay. Remember, by prioritizing your own well-being, you empower yourself to be the best version of you, capable of giving more to the world around you. I can confidently say that my journey at Vincent's Pilot has been more than worth it. The experiences, the lessons, and the friendships have all shaped me into becoming the person I am today. This school didn't just meet my expectations, it surpassed them in every way. Vincent's Pilot has been a place of incredible growth and endless opportunities. To all of my fellow completers, congratulations! You have done terribly well this school year, and in case no one has told you yet, I am beyond proud of you. Thank you for not giving up on all of your silent battles. Dream big, stay curious, and continue to strive for excellence. Good luck on your next journey, Vinzonians. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Charlie. Congratulations and good luck on your next journey.